It's exciting, isn't it? Is that fun, Chad? No. Hey everybody, welcome to Port Douglas. Far North Queensland, tropical area. So we just got the most horrific tender ride ever over from the boat. Charlotte was almost sick. Managed to get here, and yeah, just gonna look around, see what we can find. Got no idea what's here, but yeah, we'll show you around. Welcome to the hottest place on earth. Welcome to Port Douglas. But Joshua did some research, and every single person here is called Douglas.
This is the ladies, so come in. Look at their milkshakes. That's chocolate caramel.
Chocolate caramel. Looks nice in there, doesn't it? Looks real good in there, Shah. Coffee. Might have to get a milkshake, eh? Here's the town. Did you?
Chicken banana.
Chicken banana.
Can I get an elephant shell?
There's crocodiles. That's your great uncle.
Nice.
I think he might be related to us.
Can I keep it?
Yeah, you keep it.
We're going to try the ketchup.
Where are we though? We're at the Grand Street Kitchen in Port Douglas.
Yeah. And let's try this. Yeah. Oh yeah.
What are the flavours?
Good.
What flavours can you taste?
Obviously sausage.
What herbs? Just sausage.
Oh yeah, definitely get this.
Yeah? Is that your recommendation for the day? Yeah?
Oh no.
You don't like it? Okay. Tip one, if you're in Port Douglas, is hire a limousine wherever you go.
Whoa.
That's like a mic drop moment. Right. Real tip one, Port Douglas, bring water.
Yes.
Because it is hot as hell.
Tip two.
Tip two.
Bring a fan.
Bring a fan. Tip three,
Bring a face cloth.
bring a yeah, what to wipe your face with. Tip four,
Bring extra water.
extra water. Tip five is,
Bring even more water.
and then tip six for your Port Douglas tour is
Bring
more water. Right, try it on. Do you reckon?
No.
It's good? But nice? Not that one? This one. All right. Do you reckon? No? This one. Well, that's got a thing on it. Put it on my beard.
No.
It's not a knife. It's not a knife.
Cowboy hat.
That's not a knife.
Cowboy hat.
Nah, I'm happy with my hat actually.
What's my shirt?
I'll just do my hat. I don't look cool in my hat. Thanks, Shah. So even when it rains in Port Douglas, it makes it hotter. It's like having a hot shower. There's literally no respite from the heat. It is the hottest place on earth. But now we're gonna go and, how do you reckon? Now we're gonna go and find a church, because Charlotte loves churches. Everywhere we go, Charlotte has to find a church, and this looks like a scary as church.
Ooh, St. Mary's.
Former St. Mary's by the Chi Church, built in 1881. This church was destroyed in a fire. It was rebuilt in 1914.
Oh, why is it actually
It was
closed?
relocated here in 1989. So this is a replica of a replica that was relocated into replication of a replica.
Oh, there's people inside.
Come on, Charlotte, let's go into your first church. What have you got to do when you go to church, though? We'll go and have a look, yeah? See if you're allowed in. Should we go and see if you're allowed in? It's quiet, isn't it?
Mommy, where's Jesus?
Very quiet.
Church and things.
Do not enter. It's been cleaned for a wedding. Yeah. Because this is where you get married, in a church.
And when people die.
Also, you have funerals in there,
Who's
yeah.
that?
That would be St. Mary. And that'd be Jesus, that'd be Mary. Yeah. So to get into Port Douglas, we had to get on a tender boat, which is about probably 25-30 minutes away from the boat, and it comes into shore. And yeah, it's probably full of about 150, 200 people. Very rocky. But yeah, it comes into the port of Port Douglas. Do the big catamaran with air conditioning.
Thanks, Daddy.
Oh,
You're such a...
amazing. Think it's gonna be fun?
I think it's going to be worse.
Where should we sit? Come on, jump on, quick, go. Thank you. Let's go inside.
No, and not up top. Inside.
The aircon? Oh, let's get a table. Get a table here under the aircon.
Water on the lifeboat because I felt sick on it. And there was no aircon. It was very gloomy.
Yeah.
No windows.
Yeah.
And rocky.
Too many people.
Too many people. And also, and now we're on here.
Good morning, everybody. So today we've got another trip off the boat, and after yesterday's horrific trips over there, hopefully today is a better day. Today we're going to Yorkeys Knob. Yep, that's right, Yorkeys Knob. So, Yorkeys Knob, named after a gentleman who was nicknamed Yorkie, and the headland was named after him. So, Yorkeys Knob is the headland where Mr. Yorkie lived in northern Queensland, just south of Cairns. So that's where we're off to today. Hopefully the tender process is less choppy than it was yesterday, because yesterday we had vomiting, we had people flying all over the floor. So hopefully today we've got a better trip. A dart one.
Wait, show them how you do a dart.
Dart one. Discovery. Get a photo, Renée, of your Yorkeys Knob.
Right this way, madam. Please hold it.
Get some water. Get some water, Shah.
Morning, morning.
Good morning.
Water. Yes, please.
Thank you. Refreshing. This is Renee's excited face. Going to Yorkeys Knob because we've heard there is a post office
and a chemist
and a chemist.
and a cafe.
I'm hoping they're the best post office and chemist we've ever been to. If they're not, we're definitely not recommending Yorkeys Knob to anybody again. This is like snake heaven, isn't it?
Ooh. Oh god, there's crocs in there. Why?
It's just a beetle. It's a type of beetle.
Scottish beetle. We found a sign, it says shops.
What, 2 kilometres?
And there's the only... Look. Phone box, Charlotte. The only phone box in town. Yeah. We don't have mobile phones. We just have a post box. There's the town. Welcome everybody to Yorkeys Knob. We have a bottle mat. We have a coffee shop. We have a bin. And we have a post office. And I think that is the entirety of the amazing Yorkeys Knob. If you're heading to Yorkeys Knob, I would not bother. What do you reckon, Joshy?
Yeah, nah.
Enjoying it? Yeah, nah? Let's go and cool down in the bottle shop for a second. But people live in there because it's so hot. Got a shop. Joshy, we were going in here. We were looking for magnets. You're looking for what? You're looking for magnets, aren't we?
Oh my god, that's
Get your slushy here. Love a good slushy.
I get a slushy. Hello. We just looked around the whole of Yorkeys Knob in 5 minutes.
2 minutes. 3 minutes and we're done. Do you enjoy it?
I got my gumball.
You recommend Yorkeys Knob to your friends?
No.
No. Yeah, don't recommend Yorkeys Knob. 4 shops, 5 people called Yorkie, 2 knobs. That's it. Not much to see here really. We move on to the next one. What's the next town called? Pete's Dick.
What?
Pete's Dick, isn't it the next one? Yorkeys Knob, Pete's Dick.
No.
No? Good morning everybody. Today we've got another chicken tender out to another port. And today's port is Joshua.
Airlie Beach.
And welcome back to Airlie Beach. Just got off the tender again. Josh is tired already. 2-second walk. And we're in the little town of Airlie Beach, which is in North Queensland. So it's maybe like a 20-minute tender. Joshy, nice and comfortable, wasn't it today?
Yeah.
No one vomiting, no one falling over. Got a beautiful beach here, which I don't think you can swim in because of all the stingers. Maybe sharks, not too sure. But there's big signs up saying be careful to swim. Hazardous, dangerous things in there. So I think we'll give that a miss today. I'm going to head down to a nice little lagoon, little man-made lagoon, which is just in the centre of town. So Airlie Beach, it's just a little cozy little town, beautifully by the water. Yeah, really nice. So let's have a quick look around, so we can find, see what we can see. Yeah, and we'll see you guys later. Airlie Beach has a beautiful little lagoon in the centre of town. I think it might be chlorine filtered. But yeah, right in the centre of town, beautiful little man-made lagoon. All families out here for the day, which is pretty cool actually. Lifeguard on duty. How good is this? What's that one called?
This is the Leaning Tower.
Leaning Tower of chocolate and ice cream and
Tiramisu.
tiramisu.
I don't know what that is.
Go on, dive in, head first.
I don't know how.
Thank you very much.
What's it like?
Yes.
Have you got Rainbow Girl? Good. Right, we're back for more cruise tips from Joshua.
No, for me too.
And Charlotte.
Me too.
Okay, cruise tip number 1, Joshua.
No, me.
Oh, Charlotte.
Okay.
What's your cruise tip?
Make sure to always try to not go near the smoker's deck. It's very smelly.
Tip 1 from Charlotte. Don't go near the smokers section on deck 7. Okay, tip number 2, Joshua.
Eat lots of food.
Tip number 2 from Joshua, take advantage of the food and eat as much as you can. Renee in the back?
Watch out for Karens.
Yeah.
Me.
Big tip on the cruises, watch out for Karens.
Me.
Especially when you have children. Now this
Me.
is not everybody, but there are a lot of people on cruise ships who despise children, which is quite unfortunate when you've got children. So yeah, good tip, Renee.
Right, so just wait for
You need some.
They've got to come down from the
And now you know, Jason.
Hey Joshua, Mr. Handsome. Hey handsome boy. God, your dad must be handsome. Hi.
How many years, sir?
50.
Ma'am?
50.
No, it's even. No, it's even. Yes, same amount. Yeah. So I brought the lovely singer, Mr. Luis, and Pavarotti. Oh, we get this from Indiana. Indiana. In a count of 3, happy anniversary right here. Yeah. All right. 1, 2, and 3. Happy anniversary to you. Happy anniversary to you. Happy anniversary. Happy anniversary. Happy anniversary.
singing the theme today.
Good morning, everybody, from a sunny Brisbane. Well, the port of Brisbane, anyway. So we just woke up. We're gonna go and grab some coffee. We're gonna get some breakfast. But we've just arrived in Brisbane. And if you can see behind us, we've got the fuel ship. So the fuel ship's coming up, filling us up on our way back into Sydney tomorrow. And then we arrive in a couple of days, and that's it. The cruise will be over. But today, we're in the port, which I think there's a shuttle heads into the city, I believe, over here. Could be over here, could be over here, absolutely no idea. But yeah, I think today we're just going to stay on the ship.
I'm a water baby. Ooh, I'm a water baby. Oh yeah. Ooh, watch me swim around on a hot day when the sun is out. I want to get into the pool.
Stop there and show me, Sean.
I like to swim, it really cools me down. So let's get into the pool and swim around. I'm a water baby. Ooh, oh, I'm a water baby. Oh yeah, I'm a water baby. Ooh, ooh, watch me swim around. I got a new pair of bathers that my mother bought me, and I know how to swim just like my teacher taught me. I started young in the water, I'm a water baby. I sometimes wear floaties, they can really help. I'm gonna be a good swimmer, my dad can tell. I'm a water baby. Ooh, I'm a water baby. Oh yeah. Watch me swim around. I can backstroke and freestyle too.
Come a waltzing Matilda.
Catch your can, do you know the words? Sing along.
Waltzing Matilda, waltzing Matilda. You come along, sing Matilda. He sang as they watched and waited till they free.